Hello everyone. Many students have doubt how to solve a problem if there is an offset for the follower. Okay. For that I am considering the previous problem only. In that I'll take 15 mm offset for the follower towards right. Okay. It may be towards left or it may be towards right depending upon the problem statement. Now I took on right hand side. See. After taking this distance from the center of the cam, okay, you draw a circle. Okay, I show on green color, which should touches this 15 mm length. Okay, this is called as offset circle. From the end of this circle, from the right side, you draw an axis. Okay, after drawing that axis, at this point, wherever it intersects a prime circle, from that point you draw 20 mm roller diameter and create this roller follower. Okay, this is the first step. In the next step, you draw a projection line from the center of the camshaft to the center of the roller. Okay, in the previous problem it is here. Now for the offset follower, you join from center of the camshaft to the center of the roller. Okay, after that, from this point or from this line, you start angle of rise 120 degree, then first dwell 30 degree, then angle of return 60 degree, then remaining period, that is a second dwell 150 degree. Okay, this is the reference line. In the previous problem, this vertical line is a reference. Now in this problem, this is the line of reference. Okay, in the next step, same type, you divide this 120 degree into 6 equal parts depending upon the displacement drawing partition. So I took 6 equal parts. Here no need to draw this projection line. For my convention, I drawn this projection line for the explanation purpose. You just keep your protractor by taking this as a line of reference and take 20 degree, 20 degree, 20 degree. Just you mark on the circumference of the prime circle. No need to draw these lines. Okay, so likewise for angle of return. Okay, after dividing into equal even number of parts, you just name it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 1 dash and 0 dash. Okay, this is the third one. Next, in the fourth step, it is very important. After locating the points, okay, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the circumference of the prime circle, you need to draw tangential line to the offset circle from these points. Okay, see, 0 to offset circle, there's a tangent line, it's shown on red color. So likewise 1 to offset circle, 2 to offset circle diameter, 3 to offset circle diameter, 4 from 4 tangential line, from 5 tangential line. So likewise from each point you draw tangential lines like this for angle of rise as well as angle of return. I hope you understood. Okay, and the next step, you need to take the distances from displacement drawing, that is 0 to A 0, 0 to A 0, then 1 to B 3.35, same distance. So here 1 to B is 3.35, right? So here you need to take along with this offset line. Okay, it should be parallel or it should be extended linearly. Okay, 3.35. so likewise for 2 to C 12.5, 2 to C 12.5, it should be extended like this. For each point you extend, okay, like this. These two should be continuous. Okay, these lines are continuous. Okay, there is no deviation for these lines. So likewise for this also. that is angle of return. Okay. In the next step, similar to the previous problem, after getting a 3.35 and 12.5 and 20 and distances from the displacement drawing, at the end of each point, that is at A, B, C, D, you draw circles of diameter 20 mm, so that indicates a roller diameter. Okay, so likewise for every point, okay, here it is G dash, F dash, E dash, D dash, C dash, B dash, A dash. I have not shown, but you name it. Okay, after that, if you draw a curve which is passing through these A, B, C, D and all, you'll get a pitch curve. Okay, in the final step, by taking this line as a reference, okay, I'll highlight. Okay, oh, okay, it is a group, so I'm not able to highlight this. Wait, I'll show from this line. Okay, from this line, this intersection point as a reference point, you draw one more curve. Okay, so like this thick maroon color line. So this indicates the cam profile, okay, for offset follower, right? So it is very easy. You need to take this offset circle and tangential line. The procedure is same as that of previous problem. Thank you.